In this tutorial, we are building a journey which will create a new task in Google Task when a new email is received. So let's start. Select Gmail as trigger. Then choose Get Email as trigger event. Select Existing Connection and click on Link an Account. Next, select the label. Now in steps, we have to create a new task on Google Task. For that, select Google Task. Choose Create Task as Action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, select your task list. Add the task title. Add due date. We are ready with our journey. Click on Start Journey. To check the output, go to Gmail and compose a new email. Then go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now go to Google Task. We can see a new task has been added. So, in this way, we can create an automation journey to create a new task in Google Task using Gmail. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journey, visit quickwork.co.